Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we've been working on this 2016 Auto Trail V-Line Sport. Nice looking van, and these guys have come down from, I believe, Surrey way for the Alpine Halo digital media system, which is the 9-inch model. We've also fitted the 5G Compact Now smart Wi-Fi system, and at the same time, whilst we were in the customer lounge, we're just talking about aerials and antennas and realised that this particular van, because it's 2016, didn't have a DAB one. Now normally, as part of the package that we supply and install, it would include an internal glass mount, but the internal glass mount antennas were really designed for passenger cars where the antenna can see through all 4 windows. So what we have done is we've upgraded to our hugely popular FM and DAB body mounted amplified antenna. This is a fantastic bit of kit. We only fitted one of these yesterday, so there'll be another video rolling out soon with one of these. Makes a massive difference to your FM and DAB listening enjoyment, because it just means that you're more likely to be able to hold on to a station as opposed to the factory fitted antennas that are FM and DAB in the wing mirror. Obviously this van didn't have one. We have taken out the factory fitted VP2 system. The VP2 also came with a factory reversing camera as well as steering wheel controls. So we've retained the reversing camera, retained the steering wheel controls. We haven't bothered retaining the USB down the bottom because we've put both USBs in the top glove box. We've picked up speed pulse, we've picked up reverse gear, and it's all on CAN data as well. So happy days. The Wi-Fi system, Jason's done a cracking job on this one, and that's because of the fact that this vehicle already has TV antenna on the roof and then a little chimney port for the shower area, which meant that the pop-top roof had limited area for us to fit the Wi-Fi antenna, but we've done a nice tidy job on the right-hand side, so that's the driver's side, and when you open the wardrobe, it's in an upper shelf, so it doesn't get in the way, but it's still accessible for you to access it. So join me inside and we'll have a quick look now. So rear lounge setup on this particular vehicle, and even though it's quite compact, it's a nice layout, so it's nice and functional. Toilet, shower in there, and this is your wardrobe area. This is where Jason has, in fact, to be honest, it's probably one of the only places that you can fit the Wi-Fi system. So hopefully Sammy can get around here and have a quick look. On the right hand wall is the existing TV antenna, nothing to do with us. But as you can see here up on the roof, we've brought the aerial in. That's all been then sealed and cloth taped and P-clipped along, taking the power off the TV antenna feed with an inline fuse, and then there's the Wi-Fi router here. So the Wi-Fi router is unlocked, you can put in what you want, and it's 5G, so it just means now that it's out the way and it's functional, not going to cause a problem, and some really nice clean sleek lines in here, so we want to keep it all tucked away in the cupboard like so. And that's the 5G Compact Now Smart or Smart Compact Now Wi-Fi system. Very popular, we've done lots of these and keep doing lots of these, so a regular supply and fit for us, and very much fit and forget. It's a great little product. Right, so we are now sat in the front cab. The Alpine Halo 9 has been fitted. So beautiful crisp 720 HD screen, gloss black fitting kit to match the gloss climate or the fan controls or heater controls. Nice, clean, tidy motorhome, to be honest. Considering it's 10 years old, we see some, year-old ones that are not in anywhere near as good condition as this. This is well looked after. Microphone has been fitted, GPS has been fitted, CAN bus interface behind the scenes has been fitted, and that means that we get all the data side of things retained. We also then get things like reverse signal, speed pulse and data for the vehicle. So if you wanted to, you could go in. You'll never get the climate control on here, but in here you get also vehicle settings, interface settings and other stuff, so you can go into here. Now you would only get this if we have fitted, or if whoever is fitting it has fitted a proper interface. Now these are all the features that you would have got access to through your VP2 radio, which is your factory fitted radio. So that means now you can just turn that down, and that means you can still access it through this data interface. So wireless Apple CarPlay, wired Android Auto, unless you plug in one of our new dongles. Check it out on the website, and also check it out on our YouTube channel. We've done a video for that as well. There's not much more to say, to be honest. We've done loads of these. The FM and DAB antenna has been fixed and wired into the back of here, so this customer will leave here, be able to drive home, listen to their favourite stations, which is great, and connect up their phone. So anything that you've seen on this video, from the FM and DAB antenna to the Halo to the 5G, or anything else on our videos, if you're interested and want to know more or have any questions, don't forget to get in touch with us via the contact form. Website link is in the bio. If you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button, follow us on social media, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.